Hello everyone, Anand back again. Hope all of you are keeping very well. Friends, in today's topic, I'm going to deal with what is called legendary personality. So when we use legends, when we say he's a legendary personality, what does it actually mean? Especially in the business world or government higher services, where common men do not know much about what's actually happening at the strategic level or the macro levels of responsibilities, the endeavors that officials, the higher officials, officers, people who sit in helm of affairs, who create policies and frameworks and structure, are almost invisible to common man. That is how their roles are. It could be even military side, army defense side. It could be on the health, or it could be even in the administrative side. These legendary personalities, we only come to know maybe after the retirement. They would have worked for 30 years, 35 years. And after that, we come to know because somebody will write a book about their experiences of 3 decades, 4 decades, things like that. Some people even don't even write. They simply serve and then they peacefully retire and they live the rest of their lives. But as a human individual, we all should look up to such personalities and their nature of work. All that we should be able to read and understand for our own benefit. Such personalities, each one of us definitely would have got connected to some people. So if only we are able to connect with these people through some contacts, or maybe second level or third level contacts, quite a lot of stuff we will be able to learn. Such learnings are plenty in my own life, and I met a couple of legendary personalities, either from the government side or on the NGO side, non-governmental organization side. Quite a bit of learning I have picked up from these people. One of the things that they demonstrate consistently is they don't really mix up their personal, private issues when it comes to day-to-day office work or day-to-day dealings in their endeavors, official endeavors. That is really catchy, that is really interesting. Business as usual, as they call, BAU. So they don't mix up these things in their day-to-day endeavors. This is one of the greatest learning that all of us have to pick up. When a normal man, when we are affected with some issues in family life or some private issues, it could be health, it could be financial stress or whatever, immediately what we do is we try to portray something big, and then we cut off from our day-to-day office work, because we claim that I'm in serious trouble, so please I cannot handle further more pressure in the office or the corporate life. So we take a back seat and then we focus more and more on that. But these people, even though they undergo severe stress and pressure, after all, they are also human beings, they also have families, they also have health issues, things like that, but they don't demonstrate outside openly, which means such a strong mind and highly focused, committed, determined people they are. So this is one of the greatest learning that all of us have to imbibe, if we get exposed to such traits through our contacts and our learnings. And I just thought of sharing these insights in today's podcast to look up to the legendary personalities. Need not be the number one of the organization or entities. Look at the number 2, number 3, or people who are surrounded by number 1 and number 2. These people are the one who are actually executors. And there are a lot of people who are legendary in their own ways. If we only look up to such people, quite a bit of learning is assured for us to be able to empower ourselves. I'm sure you will like it. And kindly share this podcast to as many people as possible and touch lives. Take care. Bye bye.